All right, digital shop owners, let's get real for a sec. Running an online store? It's a lot. From writing product descriptions to answering the same customer questions over and over. Yes, Karen, you're tracking numbers in your email. It can feel like you're stuck in a never-ending loop of e-commerce chaos. But what if I told you that AI can automate, optimize, and scale your store so you can spend less time stressing over the small stuff and more time actually growing your brand? Yes, AI can handle your listings, customer service, abandoned carts, and even predict what your customers will buy next. So today, we're diving into how AI can help you sell smarter, not harder, because let's be real, you didn't start a business to work 24/7. You started it for freedom, creativity, and, well, to actually make money while you sleep. Let's get into it. AI-generated product listings that sell, so you don't have to. You know what's worse than writing product descriptions? Writing hundreds of them. AI can generate high-converting product descriptions in seconds, while also making them SEO-friendly so more people find your store. It's like having your own marketing team without the payroll. Let me show you how it works. How AI helps with product listings. Writes engaging product descriptions automatically. Optimizes for SEO, so your products rank higher on Google and Etsy. Uses AI-generated images and mockups. Hello, MidJourney, and DALL. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Write a high-converting product description for a holographic rainbow tote bag, highlighting its eco-friendly materials and stylish aesthetic. Pro tip, AI can generate the copy, but you add the branding magic. Infuse personality, make it fun, and keep it on brand. AI for store automation. Work less, sell more. Imagine this. A customer lands on your store. They ask a question. They get an instant AI-powered response. They add a product to their cart, and before they even think about abandoning it, boom, AI sends them a friendly reminder with a cheeky discount code. That's AI e-commerce automation in action, turning casual browsers into buyers without you lifting a finger. Magic? Nope, just smart business. How AI automates your online store. AI chatbots for customer support. No more answering the same frequently asked questions. Automated inventory and order management. AI tracks stock levels and updates listings. Abandoned cart recovery. AI follows up with shoppers who ghosted their carts. Best AI tools. Chatbots, ManyChat Amaze for automated customer service. Inventory. Shopify AI. Zoho inventory for smart stock tracking. Sales recovery. Klaviyo AI. Shopify abandoned cart for automatic follow-ups. Pro tip, AI chatbots don't sleep, don't take breaks, and don't get annoyed by customer questions. They're the best employees you'll ever have, just saying. AI-driven marketing and sales. Make every click count. Okay, so your store is running smoothly now. How do you get more sales? AI doesn't just automate your store, it helps predict what your customers want before they even know it. Think of AI like a personal shopping assistant, whispering, hey, you'd probably love these matching earrings with that necklace you just bought. And guess what? It works. How AI boosts sales and conversions. AI-powered product recommendations, personalized shopping experiences. AI-generated ads and social media posts create automated, high-converting marketing campaigns. AI email automation sends the right emails at the right time to drive sales. Best AI tools for recommendations. Nostero and Dynamic Yield for AI-driven product suggestions. For marketing, AdCreative.ai and Canva AI for social media and ad automation. For emails, Klaviyo AI and Mailchimp AI for automated email sequences. Pro tip, AI marketing isn't about blasting promotions. It's about sending the right message to the right person at the right time. That's what makes the difference between a sale and a scroll test. Automate and scale your online store with AI. All right, business bosses, let's put AI to work. Your challenge for today. Step 1, use AI to generate product descriptions and optimize your listings. Step 2, automate customer support with AI chatbots, ManyChat, and Shopify AI. Step 3, set up AI-driven marketing strategies, add automation, abandoned cart recovery, and personalized emails. Step 4, launch it and let AI do the work. Bonus, tag me on Instagram at milajki when you set up your AI-powered e-commerce strategy. I want to see your store thrive. And just like that, your online store now has the power of AI. No more manual product listings, no more customer service overload, and no more marketing guesswork. AI handles it, you scale your business. Next up, We're diving into AI-powered branding and storytelling for e-commerce, because even with automation, your brand needs a voice. See you there.